In Wakefield, Nebraska, automotive parts and service isn't just a business, it's a family tradition. At Ekberg Auto Repair and Ekberg Auto Parts, 3 generations are working together to keep their community moving, blending decades of experience with modern tools, trusted NAPA parts, and a commitment to treating every customer like family.
Repair was started in 1979. I had worked at Chevrolet GM dealership and ran the local school bus barn and worked at the local truck shop for about 10 years, did those things, and then I decided I should start my own repair facility. So we're out in the country about a mile out of town where there was some existing government grain bins, so I started my own automobile repair shop out there then. Started out with 1 person, and at one time there was 5 or 6 people there, and off and on over the years, you know, they would go.
Nick Ekberg carries the values his father built the business on, while expanding services, inventory, and technology to meet the needs of modern drivers, farmers, and businesses across Northeast Nebraska.
When most people think of NAPA, they think about car parts. We do have a lot of car parts here. We also get into a lot of agriculture stuff, heavy duty stuff, trying to have the right parts available for the farmers to keep their tractors going, their trucks running, their pickups going. We also have food production with eggs in town with Michael Foods, so we need to have the stuff that they need available, industrial belts, stuff for their equipment, stuff for their machines, things to keep them running too. So we have a broad range of stuff here, but it's a lot of stuff that NAPA can provide us that's been a really good supplier for us.
It starts with just sourcing and finding the right parts for all of our customers throughout the Northeast Nebraska area. After that, scheduling deliveries is a real big part of our deal. We have to kind of pick and choose and tailor to every customer to help them get all their goals and work accomplished. As far as keeping them returning, we just try to provide the best possible customer service. When they call us, we want them to know that they're going to get consistent, reliable service and that they're number 1 on our list, and just providing the best possible customer service is how we do that.
With the store, I do a lot of work with the manager, getting the right parts in here. So when a car comes into the repair shop, we can make an estimate for the customer using our track system. We can get them the right stuff that the store hopefully has in stock or can order very soon. So it's good that they can work together, having the available parts there, and then the repair shop to get the car done in a timely manner for our customers.
In a small town like Wakefield, relationships matter. Supporting local events, training future technicians, and standing behind every repair with a nationwide NAPA warranty. This is what it means to be a NAPA Auto Care Center built for the long haul.
No matter if someone comes from Wakefield or Wayne or Emerson or a surrounding town, we're going to try to treat them like their family, to support them and make things as easy as we can. The people that do live in town, you see them after work, you see them at your kids' school events, you do see them at church and the grocery store. So it's good to always, you know, have a personal connection with them, to know how their lives are going and to try to be a part of that and make it even better for them. We pride ourselves in being more of like a family than just an employer, getting to know our employees, what they do on the side, what their families are about, treating them with respect and not just you see them in the morning and you say goodbye at night. You get involved with their family and know them on a personal level.